This is a really good area to cover. Something I'm still trying to understand, because it can be taken as journaling, you can do it as fucking diary keeping, just to keep yourself a bit more organised. But ultimately, it's keeping a set of something that's going on in your life, or a state, or in your head that's more tangible, so it's there on paper, and it's within a real fungible area that you can conduct and review and cover what's going on in your time. So like a little notebook just for taking quick notes, or you can do on your iPhone. Calendar, diary, keeps everything in check for time. I can manage areas that I want to in my life a bit more easier, and to tell myself which topics we're going to be covering and discussing, what I feel like during that time. Or like I have a diary / goal breakdown and character set, where I talk about things that I want to remove and that I want to implement and what I want to attain within these times. So I think there's a lot that you can do